We have a fun one for you today. Snagged a couple of these nice off-road halogen lights from my buddy. Let him borrow my truck for a few months. So he hooked me up with these old lights that he had laying around. I'm not sure where he got them or how much it cost, but judging by the package, he's had it for a few years. It comes in a complete set with all the wires that you need, as well as a switch. However, the truck's already wired up with a bunch of switches, so I'm going to reuse this one right here since it's already plugged in. That's what this mess down here is. So the ground is already nice and secured under there, as well as power runs up to the fuse box, and that switch will only turn on when the ignition is in accessory mode. And then here's the power line that will run out to the lights. Put this open here. Nice little covers. Run. Plug them in, they're pretty bright so far. They're definitely nice running lights, so they should project. And with mounting them so low, they'll serve as nice fog lights. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, first things first, went ahead and ran the wire, the power wire that came with the battery or the light setup. Ran that to my switch, and don't really like it relaying through my fuse box there. I don't think it's going to get enough current, so this is going to go directly to the battery like it's supposed to. And this switch has a nice little relay built into it, and since it's we already have a wire there, it's the white wire, we ran that through the firewall. Now what's poking out here, so this will provide juice to the battery or to the lights. This will hook up to the battery, and will probably ground out the lights on the truck or the battery. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to go ahead and drill holes for the lights next. Alright, that is that. They are not terribly bright. But the nice thing about these is I can remove the covers and I can replace the lights with some brighter ones if I want to. I believe my highs are Pias and I have some Xeons in my lows, and these are just regular old whatever the hell came with it. Just like having extra low beams, really. It should help out a little bit. But otherwise, that will conclude the install of these old Baja lights. Desert Fox that my buddy gave me. So if you have a similar vehicle and you're looking for a place to put the lights, I'd highly recommend mounting it on that bracket back there. I was thinking about putting them down here, but it just seemed too flimsy and in the way, like rocks and brush and stuff. I didn't want to put it on my bumper and risk ruining it. Thought about mounting it on the outside of the grill, but it's too flimsy. And although I wasn't too crazy about mounting it on the inside of the grill because I want maximum airflow to cool my radiator and intercooler, I think it will be a worthy sacrifice. We'll see. If I don't like it, I can take it out later. I kind of like that they're about as bright as my lows, so I can run them on the road. And these are DOT savvy. You can legally run these on the road. Okay, that'll conclude my video. Smash that like button if you found this video useful. We can get this content out to other people that might find it useful. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and feel free to check out my page to see what other kind of content I have out there for you. Alright, this will conclude my Baja Light install on my 2001 LB7 Duramax. We'll see you on the next one.